There are two types of branches. We call it as dependent branch, independent branch. Consignment means what? It is an agreement between two or more person. One will be owner, one will be agent. Consignor and agent. These two persons agreement we call it as consignment. Individual, department wise we do the accounting. That we call it as departmental accounting. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturer in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So now we are in the introduction part of your Financial Accounting 2 for BCom. So what is this introduction? The introduction part, it is nothing but we will learn about what are the topics you have in your examination, or what are the topics you are going to learn in this semester. Now, your BCom, it is completely related to the accounting part like branch, department, consignment, fire insurance. These kind of the extra and new things you are going to learn. Your first semester, it was influenced with your PUC or your second year pre-university. Clear? But now it is not influenced with your PUC syllabus. It is completely something different or something new you are going to learn. Now I'll introduce the topics which you have for your FA2. We call it as Financial Accounting 2 of BCom. I'll write down one by one topic and I'll explain you what is the topic. First one. The first will go with, I'll not go in order, I'll go with the topic wise. The first one, unit 1, we call it as branch accounting. The first topic we call it as what? Branch accounting. Why do we do branch accounting? I don't go in depth. Why? Because the individual topic you have separate classes. In that you will understand better. What do you mean by branch accounting? Branch accounting, it is nothing but there is a head office in Delhi and it has branches in Mysuru and Bangalore. Now, the head office in Delhi, they cannot conclude or wind up their financial statement unless and until they do the audit of Mysuru and Bangalore. Who will do the accounting part of Mysuru and Bangalore? If it is an independent branch, then the Delhi office no need to wait for these two branches. If two branches are completely dependent, then what we are supposed to do? They have to wait for the financial statement of Bangalore branch, Mysore branch. Will they do all the financial statement? No. They need only 3 accounts: branch stock account, branch debtors account, petty cash account. These are the 3 accounts they required to include in the head office account. Clear? Now, Mysore account, all the financial statement, Bangalore account, all the financial statement, both will be merged into Delhi account. Then the Delhi can conclude or wind up their financial statement. Hope you are clear. The individual branch profit will be added and considered as a profit of the Delhi office. Hope you are clear. Yes, there are 2 types of branches. We call it as dependent branch, independent branch. I'll go in depth regarding your branch accounting, and second part will go with the second unit called departmental accounting. The second part is called as departmental accounting. What do you mean by departmental accounting? The departmental accounting, it is nothing but individual department wise will do the accounting. Again, I'll repeat, individual department wise we do the accounting. That we call it as departmental accounting. Why departmental accounting is required? Again, I'll repeat, why departmental accounting is required. I'll tell you, your departmental accounting is required only to find out. The departmental accounting is required only to find out individual department expenses as well as individual department performance. Assume that you have a 6 subject in your examination. Now, if I give you your overall marks of 575, I don't give you individual subject marks. How much is your marks? 575. How much you lost? 25. What do you feel? Oh, I lost 25. Which subject you lost this 25? You don't know. Why? Because I have not given you individual subject marks. Hope you are clear. Similarly, if I tell you in accounts you got 100, in the business 100, economics 100, English is 100, and your one more, it may be statistics 100, but in Kannada you got 75. Now what you are supposed to do? You have to improve yourself in the subject called Kannada. Now you got to know why did you lose the 25. The reason is in Kannada you scored less. Clear? Because of departmental accounting, you will understand like this where you gone wrong. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is called departmental accounting. I'll go with the third topic. Fire insurance claim. Your fire insurance claim, it is nothing but the whatever insurance you are claiming on your fire occurred on your godown, fire occurred in your factory, whatever the damage incurred, the insurance company will save you with certain percentage. As per the policy amount, whatever you have, according to that, your insurance company will assist you. That is called as your fire insurance claim. And the fourth topic and fifth topic, I don't go in depth. The reason is, we'll go in depth in the individual topic when I explain you that. This will be your consignment. And the last topic will be not for profit organization. Not for profit organization. Now, these are the topics you are supposed to learn. Consignment means what? It is an agreement between two or more persons. One will be owner, one will be agent. Consignor and agent. These two persons agreement, we call it as consignment. Why this agreement? The owner will manufacture something. The agent will sell that product. These agreement we call it as what? Consignment. Why agent work for consignment? For the purpose of commission. That commission, what do we call it as? Ordinary commission, del creditor commission. All these things we learn while doing that particular topic. And the last one, not for profit, means the main intention of that institution is not to make profit, but they will earn money. That will be called as what? Income. That is not called as not profit organization. Hope you are clear. Good. So these are the topics you have. How many marks it will cover? As you know that 60 marks will be your paper, 40 marks will be your this thing. Total it will cover how much? 100 marks. Hope you are clear. How much it will cover? 100 marks. In this 60, as you know that 15 into 2, 10 into 2, and this will be 2 into 5. This will cover your 60 marks, and this 40 marks will be taken from internal assessment as well as internal assignment. Hope you are clear. So what are the books supposed to be referred? In the NEP, as per till now, there is no proper books for this. Whatever given in your class notes or whatever given in your class, that is more than sufficient for your examination. So this is all about your today's topic, a small introduction about your topic called Financial Accounting to BCom second semester. Hope you will get good marks in Financial Accounting too with the topic whichever we cover along with the notes whatever we give. Thank you.